Ano yung tanong, pre? Bro.
Ang tanong, pre, hindi mo tanda.
Oh, congratulations sa mga officers, no? So, mauna ni ang inyong hagwan, ang inyong papel. Brad Alex, magsugod na ka, magdala ka lusartan o kung saan na inyong kuhan dyan. Kupis ka na.
May space ba nga?
May stress, sugod sa na, no? Pasig.
Stress tab.
Pasig na kuhan, ang imong pasagin ni Francis, di ka kukuha ka, di ko kalko kaya ang arthritis.
Mamaya assistant.
Sige, magsugod na, no? Ang ingon ako nga ay ikuha ninyo ngalan o posisyon, no? Sige, pledge of loyalty. Of the Sigma Gamma Lambda Fraternity and Sorority. Do solemnly swear to the best of my knowledge and ability that I will uphold the Constitution and bylaws of the organization, that I will protect the name and bring honor and dignity to Sigma Gamma Lambda Fraternity and Sorority, and that I will support and maintain the unity, service, and leadership that characterize the organization. To my brother and sister, to my school and to my community, now and forever, I stand duly to perform. So help me God. Whatever I am, whenever I do, I shall carry the name with honor and pride. For I am a Lambdan and shall always be a Lambdan. Congratulations.
Long lesson!
Okay, pre, mo tanong.
Kanta mo. Christmas.